Hi guys, how are you everyone? This is 2017 GMC. I'm going to do is all keys lost using VVDI Key Tool Max. This is a new key, it is not working. So I'm going to do it using VVDI Key Tool Max. Let's see how to go. So go to Immo, GMC, read pin code. Eight 7981. So after reading pin code, go to GMC 10/2017, flip key, start. Add keys, close all the doors, switch ignition on, so it is on already. So that to add the keys, yes. 7891 pin code. So let me, it will take 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes to verify the pin code. And I will hold it to be so it's going to wait now 10 minutes, then I will come back after 10 minutes again. So it will be take like 10 to 12 minutes, and the time is continue. I will hold the video. Switch ignition off, then remove key, press OK, open driver door, open then close, OK. Please insert the key to be programmed, and the key need to turn on, off. Current key is match complete. Switch ignition off and remove key. Insert the key on.
Press lock button. अभी आएगा.
Turn off and remove key. Open and close driver door. Switch ignition on. Success. Ignition off. Ignition on. Program success. Okay. Now you can read the key count. It should be 3, so it's success. You can try to start the car. You can check the remote. Lock, unlock. That's it. So this is 2017 GMC. We do the all keys lost using Key Tool Max. Thank you guys.